Lime Rock Park for the Nutmeg Miata Club track day. I just switched my tires to Falken Azenis. They're old, but they're better than what I had on last time. So actually, this is a whole new layout, so I'm going to try and figure this out. Today I'm pretty much just getting some practice runs in, seeing how much better this is with these tires. Still a lot of understeer going on, and I still have an open diff, unfortunately. But these tires are already way, way better. Man, I wish I had these on last time. Alright, I'm going to shut up, and I'm going to practice a good clean lap and get used to this new layout. Enjoy. Well, right now I'm following a beautiful ND RF Miata in white. It looks so good. I might hang back for a minute here, just so I have a little room to breathe. I don't want to be up anyone's tail shaft, you know? So I really, I said this a million times, but I wish I had a diff on here. It's in my garage, so look out for that video coming soon. Alright, I got a little space. Let's hit it. I'd always get sideways, but not today. Still don't know what brake pads are on here. It's whatever came with the car. But it's a short course, so it's not too dangerous. Sideways that whole time. That needs to be the next install, either that or coilovers. They're both at home in my living room. But you know how it is when you have to install, film, edit. Things take time, so I think I've got David McGoggin behind me. Pretty old tires. Ooh, it's hot out here. I swear it's always like 15 degrees hotter at Lime Rock. So, for those of you that are new to my channel, this is my relatively new to me NA Miata. It has a Racing Beat tubular front sway bar with Goodwin Racing stout mounts. Racing B header, Racing B catback, and now it has RPF 1s and Falken Azenis. So pretty much stock. I'm just out here for practice, practice, practice. Okay, so it does rub. Guess I gotta roll the fenders. No ABS, they'll lock up if you want them to. Well, this is just a good old-fashioned hootin' good time, if you ask me. This is what I live for. Sideways. Let's go, Dave. We're having a little cat and mouse. Love it. That was the last lap. We're gonna cool down a little bit and bring it in. That's about it. Look at Miata didn't even get hot. It does have a coil radiator. I flushed all the fluids, so I wouldn't expect it to, especially at this power level. But yeah, good old Miata. I love this thing. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.